Here's where it starts to get better. Welcome back to Freeman's Garage Extra. This is the next video in the Freeman's Garage, Texas to Oklahoma moving debacle video series. This one is, well, it's just an update of my face telling you what is going on with Freeman's Garage and Freeman's Garage Extra right now, where we are at in the moving debacle, a little bit about where we've been, what's coming up next. When is Freeman's Garage going to go back to normal and the projects get worked on full time again? I'm going to tell you all that and more right now. So just 60 seconds on where we've been. So we had to put our house up for sale so that we can buy a new house somewhere else. Again, against our will. Didn't choose Texas, where we're right now. Didn't choose Oklahoma, where we're going. But you know, sometimes a man just has to do what he has to do. Getting close to an entire year, or at least 9 months or so, that we have had the Freeman's Garage Texas location up on the real estate market for sale and trying to buy something in the low volume market of the hills of East Oklahoma so that we can get back to full-time wrenching on projects. So we've been in this holding pattern for a very long time, and I am unfortunately not in control of everything in my world right now, but it's getting better. The videos you've already seen that are already in the Moving Debacle playlist here in Freeman's Garage Extra have covered all the stories of the liars, cheats, and scammers that we've run into along the way, and the ups and downs and the oohs and woos of trying to sell and trying to buy, and what a disaster it has been. But here's where it starts to get better. From where the last Moving Debacle video in the playlist ended to right now has been a few months, and a lot has happened. I've filmed a lot of videos for you, and they're all in the can, and those are going to be coming out. I would have already had them out for you already, but I've got a kid that needs me. I'm working over 100 hours a week just on one job. I'm bouncing back and forth 500 miles, living in a camper, empty house, camper, empty house. Finally getting around to getting these videos out to you. So after this update, videos are going to start popping out here on the Extra channel, taking you through the next wave of journey here on this whole moving debacle thing. And they're good. They're really good videos. You'll really like them. Some pretty decent adventure in them. It's not just me talking the whole time. It's actually, you know, out in the world doing things. And while you're enjoying those videos as they're coming out, I will be out there in the world capturing on video all the next things that are happening, and then those videos will come to you. And believe me, it's good. You're not going to want to miss it, because believe it or not, this is all going to come to a happy ending. Now, where I'm at right now, okay, remember where I'm at right now. I'm in between dimensions. There's stuff you haven't seen yet that I've already lived, and then there's stuff I haven't lived yet that I will see with my peepers before you see on videotape. And so we're not out of the woods yet. Things could fall apart, but it's looking really darn good. And if it goes through, 99.9% sure it finally is this time, you're gonna love it. And it's gonna be the greatest thing ever. Well, except for I'll still be living in a state I don't want to live in. I think I teased you enough on all of that. Took you through the whole rundown of Freeman's Garage Extra, which is, it's all leading to a point where Freeman's Garage can go back to normal. But what is actually going on in the meantime with the regular Freeman's Garage channel? I thought you'd never ask, Boots Malone. Well, those Freeman's Garage Extra projects are still at a screeching halt. What, 2 videos a month? But that's coming to an end. Just trust me, just stick with me. Got just ups and just ride through it. It's gonna work out. It's always rocky before the results come in. The 1956 Tri-5 Chevy, my daughter and I started putting a brand new trunk floor in it, and you could just say we went right up to the factory and picked it up. It's cheaper that way. That video is in the can, coming for you soon on the regular Freeman's Garage channel. The blue 1962 AMC Rambler Classic Deluxe, that is up in Oklahoma. And you don't want to miss those extra channel videos. The 1967 Chevrolet C10 long bed step side barn find pickup truck is up in Oklahoma with the 62 Rambler. Don't want to miss those extra channel videos as well. The white 1963 AMC Rambler American is still here in Texas in an outdoor storage space. Stay tuned for that. The one owner 1985 Harley Davidson Sportster, last year the Ironhead, is right there, coming back very soon as well. I might be buying a Buick with a factory all aluminum Fireball V8, which I probably shouldn't, because that means another car that needs to go from Texas to Oklahoma. But it's kind of being thrown at me and I might fall to temptation. There's all the Freeman's Garage vehicles that are up in North Dakota near the Canadian border that we still haven't been able to go touch those for a very long time, and it hurts me deeply. But when we finally get through this moving stuff, we'll have some more freedom. Oh yeah, we got the Freeman's Garage mobile location, and I might actually pick up a motorhome with a 496 Chevrolet power plant in it, and then sell the camper and make the motorhome the new mobile location. The next video to come out on the regular Freeman's Garage channel will be the beginning of putting the new trunk floor into the 56 Chevy. We'll have to see how the cookie crumbles on that one. And the very next video that you will see here on the Freeman's Garage Extra channel actually will not be a moving debacle video. It is actually, well, I mean, you'll just have to see to find out what it is. But it's something that I made for you. Well, what month is it right now? It's July, and I made the video last Christmas. I think it's pretty important just to get out right now, because it's actually something that can help some people. But right after that, then it's just pure Texas to Oklahoma moving debacle videos, and that begins the pattern of, well, it'd be up, down, up, down, up, down with our luck through all those videos, but you know, we're gonna come out okay. That's an example of positive thinking. Times are tough, but it's better than swallowing a goldfish. And it ain't healthy to jump over the wrong fences, so, you know, take chances while trying to be careful and do the best you can. We're all out here just surviving. So that's the update, and it's very possible that by the time you see this video, all the videos that I mentioned that are coming down the line have already been published to the public. They're on the screen or in the video description.